What if I told you that a simple glass of something could change the way your body feels every single morning? I'm not talking about a miracle smoothie or some trendy superfood. I'm talking about something much older and far more powerful: kefir. That drink that looks like yogurt, but is actually a whole living universe. A universe capable of influencing your digestion, your immune system, and even the strength of your bones. But here's the catch. Not all kefirs are the same, and if you drink it the wrong way, you may miss out on most of its benefits. Stay with me, because today you're going to discover what really happens when you drink kefir every day. The good, the surprising, the things nobody tells you, and how to do it the right way. Oh, and before we continue, hit that subscribe button. What you're about to learn will completely change the way you look at natural health. Kefir is everywhere. On social media, in supermarkets, and in every healthy lifestyle conversation. People say it helps digestion, boosts immunity, gives you energy, but almost no one explains why it works or when it might not be the best option for you. And that's exactly what you'll understand today. Because knowing kefir isn't about following a trend, it's about understanding how your body communicates with you. What kefir really is. Imagine holding a tiny ecosystem right in your hands. A handful of living grains, kefir grains, made up of bacteria and yeast working together. When they ferment milk or sweeten water, they transform it completely. They produce natural acids, vitamins, enzymes, a bit of carbon dioxide, and even a small amount of natural alcohol. The final result is a slightly tangy, smooth drink full of active microorganisms. While yogurt contains only a few bacterial strains, kefir contains over 30 different species. It's like upgrading from a two-person band to a full symphony orchestra playing inside you. And this microbial diversity is what makes kefir so unique and potentially so powerful. Immediate benefits: digestion and immunity. Think of your gut as a garden. Everything you eat, every medication, every stressful season of your life changes the balance of that garden. Kefir acts like a fresh planting. It brings in beneficial microorganisms that help restore and support your microbiota. That invisible army regulating digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune defenses. That's why many people notice changes within days. Less bloating, less heaviness after meals, smoother bowel movements. And if you've ever taken antibiotics, you know how they can throw your gut off balance. Kefir can help rebuild that balance naturally. Your immune system, too, lives largely inside the gut. When your microbiota gets stronger, your defenses get stronger as well. Some studies even suggest that kefir can inhibit harmful bacteria like Helicobacter pylori or yeast like Candida albicans. It's not magic. It's simply biology working the way it was meant to. Important precautions. Now, let's take a necessary pause. Kefir is natural, yes, but it's not for everyone. If you take medications such as immunosuppressants, corticosteroids, or anticoagulants, talk to your doctor first, because kefir contains live microorganisms. It can affect people with very weak immune systems. Also, keep in mind, kefir naturally contains a small amount of alcohol, usually between 0.5% and 2%. It's not harmful for most people, but it matters if you must avoid alcohol for medical, personal, or religious reasons. If you're allergic to cow's milk, choose water kefir or a plant-based version. And if you make kefir at home, always use pasteurized milk and clean utensils. A poorly prepared kefir can grow unwanted bacteria, and that's something you absolutely want to avoid. Long-term benefits: bones, heart, and metabolism. Over time, kefir may offer deeper benefits. After age 50, bone density naturally begins to decline. This is where kefir becomes especially interesting. It provides bioavailable calcium and vitamin K2, two key elements that help calcium reach your bones instead of your arteries. During fermentation, kefir also produces peptides that support bone formation. It's almost like kefir telling your body, send the calcium exactly where it's needed. Kefir can also influence blood pressure. Some of its natural compounds act as mild AC enzyme blockers. similar to what certain blood pressure medications do. But through a natural process and for metabolism, research is promising. Kefir may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce triglycerides and LDL cholesterol. Again, not because it's a miracle drink, but because a healthier microbiota reduces inflammation and improves how your body processes nutrients. It doesn't replace medical treatment, but it can be a valuable long-term ally. If you're enjoying these insights so far, make sure you subscribe now, because what's coming next is even more surprising. How to drink kefir the right way. Now let's get practical. How do you drink kefir correctly? First, start slow. If you've never had it, begin with half a cup, about 100 milliliters. Let your gut adapt gently. If everything feels good, increase to 1 full cup a day. Second, choose the timing that fits your lifestyle. In the morning, kefir can kickstart your digestion. At night, it may help regulate your bowel movements. The key is consistency, not the exact hour. Third, avoid drinking it ice cold straight from the fridge. Let it rest a few minutes for better digestion. Fourth, avoid combining it with very heavy meals. And if you prepare it at home, strain it properly. Kefir works through consistency, not quantity. It's like planting a seed. Water it every day, and it flourishes. How to choose your kefir. Quick guide. So what kind of kefir should you choose? Homemade or store-bought? Homemade kefir is more active and richer in microbes, but it also requires more care and experience. If you're a beginner, start with a commercial, refrigerated kefir labeled live cultures or active microorganisms. Avoid shelf-stable options. They're usually pasteurized, which kills most of the good bacteria. Be cautious with flavored varieties. They often contain too much added sugar. Once you feel comfortable, you can try making kefir yourself. Just remember, use pasteurized milk, clean utensils, and keep fermentation short, 24 to 48 hours. A well-prepared kefir can be a treasure, a careless one, a problem waiting to happen. Quick, frequently asked questions. Does kefir make you gain weight? No, unless it has added sugar. Plain kefir can even help regulate appetite. Is it good for irritable bowel syndrome? For many people, yes, but always start with small amounts. Does mixing it with fruit reduce its benefits? Not at all, as long as you don't heat it. Does water kefir offer the same benefits? Similar, yes, though milk kefir is richer in nutrients. So if there's one idea you should keep from this entire video, it's this. Kefir isn't a trend, it's a tool, a simple daily habit that can strengthen your body from the inside out. It's not for everyone, but if it works for you and you take it the right way, it can become that silent ally caring for your digestion, your immune system, and even your bones. Try it, listen to your body, and be consistent. And if you want to keep discovering how small habits can create meaningful changes in your health, subscribe and activate the notification bell. The next videos will give you even more reasons to take care of yourself. Because sometimes, what looks like just a simple glass of kefir can actually be the beginning of a transformation. See you in the next video.